Olfactory nerve is typically considered the first cranial nerve, or simply CN1, that contains sensory nerve fibers relating to the sense of smell. In the nasal cavity, the upper face of the concha nasalis superior and the adjacent part of the septum nasi are related to the sense of smell and is named as pars olfactaria. Bipolar neurons related to the sense of smell and receptors formed by the peripheral extensions of these neurons are located on the mucosa covering this region. The peripheral extension of each neuron ends with 10 to 20 cilia extending to the mucous surface. These cilia are structures that are sensitive to odors. When the scent molecules reach pars olfactaria, they dissolve in the mucus that covers the mucose layer and reach the receptors on the skin. Central extensions of neurons in pars olfactoria make up the olfactory nerve. All of these extensions form the structure called filia olfactoria. The axons in filia olfactoria enter the cranial cavity through the holes in the lamina cribrosa. These axons synapse with the second neurons in the bulbus olfactorius located just above the lamina cribrosa, forming structures called glomerulus. The central extensions of the second neurons and the afferent fibers coming from the various parts of the central nervous system to the olfactory bulb form the structure called olfactory tract. Olfactory tract continues backward from the olfactory bulb. Anterior olfactory nucleus is a nucleus located between olfactory bulb and olfactory tract. The collateral branches originating from the axons of some second neurons in olfactory bulb synapse in this nucleus. The extension of the second neurons go to the piriform cortex, entorhinal cortex, and anterior olfactory nucleus. These regions are also known as olfactory cortex. Piriform cortex, located in the anteromedial part of the lower face of the temporal lobe, is the largest cortex region related to the sense of smell. There is a close relationship between the scent pathways and the limbic system. Unlike other senses, the sense of smell reaches the cortex without stopping by thalamus.